Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, just about any fabrication machinery and tool room equipment out there since 1954. Today I'm going to show you one of our favorite machines, one of our very good brands that we worked with for a very long time. This is a brand new US industrial. This is a CNC hydraulic press brake, 155 tons by 13 foot overall. You can see everything that would come if you bought the brand new machine when it gets to your floor. Got a simple pedestal stand, you got your up and your down. You can see it's very smooth and it's very quiet actually as well. You've got safety laser light curtains right here in the front. That's going to allow, you can see the red light down there. If anything gets into the wrong spot, it'll stop the brake from working. You can also notice here it comes with this really nice die. This is a multiple way bottom die. You can see each one of these edges. You can move around and you can actually flip the die. We'll show you just the edge over here so you can see. Those are all the different shapes of the die, and it's a really nice little easy way to flip that. If you see right here, this bolt and this bolt, put a little clip to it, chain it, pick it up with the ram, spin it around, and you can get any shape that you need. So it's really quick to be able to change that bottom die, a nice little feature that comes with it. This tooling does come with the brand new machine. Everything that's in place is going to come with it that you see here. We've got a really nice CNC controller. Right now we have 7 steps within here. You can see each one with a little graphic showing you how it's going to bend and what it's going to do. You hit CNC, the back gauge is going to move and it's going to go to our next step, make it available if you want to test it or see where you're at for anything. Now we can go ahead, we'll hit down. And you notice it's got a quick approach. There's the back gauge moving in and out for our next step. Quick approach. We got our forming right there and then back up. Again, the back gauge is going to move to the next step. Smooth and quiet. Now we've moved to step 7. You can see our Y and our X axis. All the information's right here on the screen, really easy to find. Another nice thing about this is you're going to be able to save your programs within here, come back to them, and be able to use them over and over depending on what you have. So you can use it in a manual mode, single, or an auto run, which is going to come down, go back up, and cycle through each step. You can see these are great machines. We have a lot of machines in stock here. We'll walk around. Here you can see a really nice AccuPress. This is going to be something similar to that one. This is a 200 ton by 12 foot overall. So that'll give you just about the same type of tonnage. If you're going to be doing a little bit heavier than 1/4 inch plate, that's going to be a great machine for you. The 155 ton, depending on the degree of bend, which is the different degrees of this die, you can see right here this large opening versus this little tiny opening. You're going to need different tonnages on whatever one you're going to be putting in there. If it's going to be bigger, it's going to use less tonnage. If it's going to be a smaller, tighter fit, it's going to be more tonnage. Just to show you a few of the other press brakes we have in stock here, here's some Amadas. This is a 125 ton US industrial. It's the same machine, same setup, CNC controller, safety light curtains, brand new, ready to go to your floor, hydraulic. All of our machines here are tested, guaranteed, whether they're new or used. You can see right here is a used 175 ton AccuPress. That's pretty much top of the line right now. We've got press brakes, shears, just about everything you could want, all in our facility here. We'd love to have you come down and take a look. Now, you can see on the top of the US Industrial, everything's very clean, compact, and easy to get parts for, right off the shelf for most of the parts, which is why we like them, because we, of course, repair all these machines if it needs it. So we've got a great experience with US Industrial and being able to repair them and get service. Now, if you're looking for this machine or any other, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.